Hello everyone, this is Thiago here, and in this video I'm going to show you about 12 tips or tricks, or even better, secrets to make your experience at TradeMetro even better. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is how to personalize or configure a dashboard. By going to your dashboard, click on this icon here and you can see that you can add a lot of widgets. And let's go ahead and add some widgets here. Let's just add them all. And as you can see, now you have a dashboard with the widgets that we selected. And therefore, you can configure a dashboard by account. If you have multiple accounts, you can configure them here. So for this account, let's say this is my swing trading account. I like to see my account evolution with the adjustments. My day trading account, I like to see other metrics or my day trading metrics. So you can configure this dashboard by account, which is pretty cool. So the next thing here is, let's go to account and fees. And what I noticed, a lot of people, when they open their accounts, they go ahead and create a new account and, instead of renaming the default account. When you create another account, now you have two accounts, and sometimes you end up importing to the wrong account or to an account that's not the default account. And then all the reports are going to load your default account, which is empty. So the tip here is, when you create an account, make it a default one. So let's say I just created this account here. Click on this account, set it as default, and then you can import all the trades here. Or you can just delete this account you just created, set this one as default, and rename it to whatever you want, like Direction Brokers or whatever. So that's tip number 2. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to Trade History. And not sure if all of you guys know, but you can manage the columns and add a bunch of cool columns here to make your experience better. So let's say you're a day trader, you want to see the financial volume. Let's say you are a swing trader, you want to see open positions. Let's say you're a futures trader and you want to see points per trade. So you can configure the columns that you want to see here, which is kind of nice. And you can also manage trades, which will allow you to do all kinds of cool things like tagging multiple trades, deleting multiple tags, attaching an option strategy to multiple trades, and delete multiple trades at once. Next is, let's add some columns here. Let's add the stop notes. All the columns that I want are already added. What I want to show you guys here is how to edit your trades just like a spreadsheet. So with the columns added, you can just click on notes and add your notes here. If you want to add tags, you can add your tags here. And you can also set your stop loss and targets as well. So let's just set a stop loss of 8 and a target of 11. And you'll be done, just like a spreadsheet. This is kind of nice because it's going to make your life so much easier and better and quicker to edit your trades, especially the tags, which is a very powerful feature that we offer. And then next, let's go to analyze one of the trades here, like this one. And sometimes what happens, you are in a different time zone than our system, which is in New York, and the charts don't pull up, don't align with the hours that you're trading. You can set your time zone here, and therefore the charts are going to be aligned. Okay, so next is the command bar, which is one of the coolest things that we built here. And you can do all sorts of things, like go as soon as you log in, instead of just flipping through the reports, you can just go My Trades, and it will take you to your trades page, and you can go to all the reports through the command bar. What I like the most here is that you can also add trades. So let's say I want to add a trade here. I can say buy 100 shares, but 100 Apple at 100. And it's pre-filled already with the data. All you have to do is choose the account. If not, it's going to choose the default by default, and you just import and be done with it. So much easier to add trades from here than filling out each field here individually. So that's another cool one that we offer. Another one that we offer that's pretty cool is the ability to search by multiple tags. Maybe you guys don't know this, but you can just select the tags, multiple tags in the tag field, and search by multiple tags. Next, let's go to trade history again. Actually, this next one works for any symbol field. Let's say that you want to filter your trades, but you don't want to see the BW ticker here. So you can just type -BW, and it's going to show all the symbols except BW. CBW is gone. And you can also do the opposite. You can say BW asterisk, and every symbol that matches BW, it's going to show up here. This is probably going to just show BW, but might be useful for future traders. Like sometimes you just don't have to type the expiration. You can just type MES, and it's going to pull up all the MES trades. We don't have any right now, but this is how it works. And if you need help, always just hover the mouse over the field, and it's going to show you an explanation how it works. Okay, moving on here, let's go to, let's clear the filters. And you can also sort by multiple. Let's just pull up the order history, it's going to be better. Let's say you want to filter by multiple columns, you can just use the shift key. Like right here I already have filtered by date and time, and I can filter by symbol as well. By clicking shift and the column, you'll be able to shift by multiple columns. And then another one is when you go to system settings, by default your filters are already saved, and this is kind of cool because you can just navigate through many pages, and your filters are going to be pre-filled already. So let's go BW, and let's choose a date that let's pick this trade here for Apple. Let's 7 days. Let's hit filter, and you see that the filters filled black background is now blue. So you know that you have a filter applied, and as you navigate through different fields, different reports, the fields are going to be persistent. So you can just navigate through all of them. And of course you can disable these filters as well from here. In this page you can also configure a lot of cool stuff too, so it's worth checking out the settings page, which you can reach from this option here, system settings. You can set your report preference, which will allow you to, from many links on the sites are linking to the trade history or history, you can choose which one you prefer best, and that way you always go to the report of your preference. And this one is a kind of nice one too, which allows you to sort by your reports by dates, newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And that's about it. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and I hope that you guys learned a lot. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.